So it's a -3 degrees, it's snowing out, and I'm out here building a moped today, boys. Got loads of parts everywhere. Another moped there for parts, got a mini bike over there. But today, building this, it's only about 6 o'clock, it's not too late. And yeah, so at the moment, I'm just bolting the fuel tank down, just place the bolt in there and place the bolt in there. It's rusty as fuck inside, but it'll do for now. You know what I mean, like, look at that, that's terrible, isn't it? But yeah, got a brand new lock set with it. Just installed the lock in the panel there. So you've got to go through the whole thing. I've got most of the parts basically, apart from little bits like pipes and that, but they're easy enough. Just got to go through and try and install everything, really. Pretty mad. I'll just bolt the fuel tank down, try and put the fuel lines on if I can. There's the vacuum line over there, but I'm trying to get a fuel line to go from there to the fuel tap at the moment. I'll sort something out. And I'll come back once I've done that. So I've got the back 2 bolts of the fuel tank on, bolted this bracket on. That's also all a bit bent up. I just tried the fuel cap in it. It works, just you've got to wiggle it around a lot. Something I don't really care about, not really going to try and reshape that. But now, I've got the struggle of trying to put the vacuum line and everything onto that brand new fuel tap up there. Here's the vacuum line. That looks like it will just go on. Needs a bit of heating up and persuasion because of it's actually fucking gone solid. I've got some clear pipe here. Looks like it'll be good for fuel pipe for now, temporarily. Just see on there if it'll fit. I think it'll fit. I think this also needs a bit of warming up. It's not gone rock solid, it's just a harder tube by itself, you know. The AGR's coming off and getting blanked whenever I can. Fucking hate AGRs. But to be honest, everything looks quite clean on this, apart from a bit of rust at the back and everything. It's been sat since 2011. Gonna make a custom exhaust for it as soon as possible. To be fair, I'm probably gonna have near enough a straight pipe because banter, really. Oh, fuel tap's in there. That's the battery compartment. Haven't really looked in there yet. Not sure. I think that's part of the seat. I'll have to have a look at that. Make sure the seat actually is going to latch down on there. But this is my current situation. I've also got to put the airbox back on the carb because that pipe's off. Let me try and just press it on there now. That clamp's undone. So we just try and squeeze it down there. Oh, it's a bit tight actually. And because I'm doing an EGR delete and I don't want to reject this yet, I'm going to have to block that off there as well. Because otherwise, these 50cc GY6 engines, when they fucking get the wrong air fuel mixture, they're a fucking bastard to do anything with. Honest bastard. There's a snap wire there. Hopefully not important. Pink. Hopefully it is just the pink wire for the CDI box, hopefully. Which is just a restrictor, which would be not the worst problem in the world. But there's a lot of other problems it could be. I might have to take the whole airbox off in order to fit this. Because that's quite tight, actually, believe it or not. Yeah, a brand new ignition barrel there, look. How many miles has it got on it? Oh! It's only got 2,000 miles on it. That's not bad. It's got 2,000 miles in it. Oh, that little kill switch. That's going to be amazing. Could I make it go rum bang? And it's got a little screen of it. Oh no, this is hilarious. And a little rectifier. Also, I've got to wire the ignition barrel in myself. It's been a bit bodged by the looks of things. People don't know what they're doing, you know. Banter. Oh. Now see you in a minute. So to heat the pipe up, all I've done really is I've boiled the kettle. Voila. And I've put the pipes in boiling hot water. You can see the steam coming off it. You can see how clear the pipes get in some places as well. Literally, leave it to soak in the hot water, it's going to soften it right up. So I can put it in there, flex it to whatever shapes I need to, zip tight wherever I need to. And when it cools down, it may go a little bit hard again. But it shouldn't matter then, because it's in place, it's on the bike, it's done. Also, I've got one of these little bottle things. It's just got that open on it there. Nothing else. Doesn't look like I can unscrew any ends or anything. I might be able to, I don't know. I'm not really sure what it does. Someone let me know, please. Because it makes my bike faster, and anyway, I've got to use it. There's just some random wires there. Okay, madness. Right, I have got my fuel line and vacuum lines on. as you can see there. Got the clear fuel line on. It's only temporary, like I said, because I'm not sure if the tube is actually fuel rated. There you go, you can see it goes into the carb there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the old automatic choke situation because I don't have the clip to hold it in. I might just try and zip tie it in, hope for the best. I'm not sure, but I don't think I can run the bike without it. Because I'm not sure if that makes any sort of vacuum leak there or anything either, which it probably does. But those two lines are on. I should now be able to put the rear fairing on, which is interesting. So let's try and put these two panels on the bike. Ta-da! So now moving on to the gearbox side of things quickly. Just looking at what we've got here. I think there's a bit missing for the starter motor, which is annoying, but the kickstart should work. And I'm just going through, there's loads of random little bits in there. Going to try and put all this back together. Don't have a belt for it right now, but I've actually got a whole spare engine elsewhere, and also other stuff elsewhere, so it all should still be good. Madness. Also, I've got these panels on, so now it's got the two rear panels. Got a brand new look in there. Needs a good old clean off, clearly. But yeah, it's getting somewhere. Little Baotian moped. Well, my hands are getting too cold for tonight. I'm just going to call it a day. Make this one video. Making each video for each day rather than just waiting. Zip tied the headlight together and shit like that. Just threw the seat on there. The seat lock is broken inside as well, so we'll have to glue that together. Which is annoying. Haven't really made much progress with the transmission. Just put them on lightly like that. Literally not even bolted up properly. Just need to put the belt on. Need to get that belt from either my spare engine, that one, or I actually have a spare belt somewhere that might fit. But yeah, it's way too cold. It's been snowing today. Still snowing now. Hands are freezing. Just want to go inside. Fucking yeet.